Hi Liansh.
Hello.
What game are we going to play today?
Today we are going to play Monopoly. Hi, my name is Liansh. I'm 4 years old. I'm going to be talking about lots of games, so subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. I like to play. I like to win. I play to win.
What is this game about?
This is about buying properties and selling properties.
Wow. So who wins this game?
Whoever has the most money at the end of the game and has most amount of properties.
Okay. How do we start the game? Where do I get my money from?
We get the money from the bank. Like 4 100s, 150, 2 500s, 120, 5 ones, 2 10s and 1 5.
So everyone gets all this money from the bank?
Yes.
Okay. How do we start on the board? I can see you've got something. What is this counter over here?
This counter, when you roll the dice, if you count that number and you count it like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you land on that property, then you have to pay for it if you want to buy it.
Okay. And how many counters do you have here?
We have 8 counters in total. Thimble, car, wheelbarrow, iron, a horse, a man who's sitting on a horse, a ship and a shoe.
Okay. Let's start the game. What are these two piles of cards on top of the board?
So one is chance and one is community chest.
And what happens with these cards?
Like if you land on chance, you pick up a card from chance. You have won a crossword competition. Collect 100. This is called good luck.
And what about the other one?
Let's read. So if you land on community chest over here, then you pick up another card from the community chest and read it. Your cousin forgot their wallet. You happily pay for dinner, pay 50. This is called bad luck. Let's start the game by rolling the dice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have reached a property called the Angel Island. So now I need to pay money. How much money is it? 100. Here's the property. Now I need to just pay 100 to the bank so I can play.
What happens if somebody comes on this square now that you own the property?
They have to pay me rent.
And how much rent?
They have to pay me 6 for the rent.
Can you get more rent on this property?
If we build houses and hotel on the property.
I can see a policeman on this board. It says go to jail. What happens if you land on this square?
So if you land on this square, you have to go in the jail. If you want to get out of jail, pay your 50 and then you can get out of jail.
Apart from rent, how else do you earn money in this game?
Every time you go around the board, when you go past go, you get 200 for salary. So on the first income tax, you have to pay 200. On the next one, super tax, you have to pay 100.
So landing on these tax squares is no fun.
Yes, there are a lot more rules in the book, but now we are going to start playing. I hope you win lots of money. Subscribe to my channel. And subscribe to my channel. See you soon.